Okay, you all, good morning. I want to take this time to wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. I am out here trying to make some money. I have all my gift baskets here already packed. So let's go and make money. Have fun, guys. See you later. These are some of the items I have already in my car getting ready to sell. I'm in Walmart's parking lot. I didn't take a um what you call it, a table and tent and all of that stuff, because I don't know what the laws are in my area. So I'm just selling these straight out of my car trunk. I'll let you guys know how this goes. I was out yesterday. It was very successful, so I'm out again today to see what I could sell. All right, talk to you guys later. Happy Mother's Day.